Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your VCAP. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going, sorry, when you click on your photo here, it's going to take you to, when you click on your photo, it's going to take you to your profile. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click on settings, so then come to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. When you click here on privacy, it's going to take you to next step. Just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here. So then you just go down here, you keep going down here, and you come here to stories, and you come here to who can give feedback on my stories, click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to select in this list on your VCAP. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.